हाय गाइस, नमस्कार। मैं हूं आरजे ग्लेन आपके साथ। दिस इज 100 आवर्स 100 स्टार्स, आवर ट्रिब्यूट टू आवर कोविड वॉरियर्स। फीवर एफएम, रेडियो नशा एंड रेडियो वन की टीम लेकर आई है आपके लिए 100 आवर्स 100 स्टार्स, नॉन स्टॉप ट्रिब्यूट, ए डिजिटल फेस्टिवल फॉर आवर कोविड वॉरियर्स। आज मेरे साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल पर्सनैलिटी है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अ लिटिल स्टोरी, अ लिटिल बिल्ड अप। यू नो, ये साली जिंदगी में हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी थी लोगों की कि इनके साथ एक बार इंटरव्यू हो जाए। इन्होंने सबको इनकार कर दिया और मैं बस उन लड़कों को कहूंगा, सॉरी भाई, सॉरी, आई गॉट इट। My name is RJ Glenn. I've got Chitrangada with me right now. Thank you so much for joining me, man.
Awesome. Full
Thank
marks
you.
for innovative introduction. Thank you.
Thank you so much. आपने हमें वक्त दिया। I know ये work from home, work every time from home हो रहा है अभी। It is, it's crazy.
Well, I'm sure it's crazy for you guys because we are not working at home. We are sitting at home and waiting to work, actually. Yeah.
आपकी जिंदगी कैसे चल रही है इस वक्त? How is this lockdown? आपके लिए क्या क्या हो रहा है आपकी लाइफ में आजकल?
Well, I mean, Glenn, honestly, God's been kind. So इतना जो basic problems हैं जो दूसरे लोगों को हो रही हैं,
जी,
वो नहीं, we don't have to face those problems
राइट,
honestly. लेकिन हाँ, मतलब अभी अगर बात करनी ही है और हमें कुछ कहना ही है तो या मतलब आप घर पे हैं, आप बाहर नहीं जा सकते, आप पेरेंट्स को नहीं मिल सकते, फैमिली फ्रेंड्स को नहीं मिल सकते. You tend to get bored honestly sometimes. Also the fact that you don't have a routine, there is no such thing of getting up and getting ready and looking forward to working
राइट,
or doing something. So obviously that mentally it affects you a little bit, but I mean there's always this reminder कि ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जिनको इससे कहीं ज्यादा serious problems हैं, so you tend to tell yourself to shut up. So there is this constant a conversation in your head that's going on. So yeah, but honestly, otherwise, I think we are okay. We're okay.
मुझे लगता है कि ऐसे सिचुएशन में, इस कोविड 19 के सिचुएशन में, द एंटायर कंट्री हैज कम टुगेदर एज वन यूनिट, एज वन
Yes,
फैमिली। पूरी
yes.
दुनिया में सब लोग एकजुट होकर इस कोविड 19 के सिचुएशन को हराने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। एंड आवर कोरोना वॉरियर्स, आई थिंक हैट्स ऑफ टू देम
Oh
फॉर
yes.
व्हाटएवर
Oh
दे आर
yes.
डूइंग।
My God, thank you
इट्स
so much.
अनबिलीवेबल। हमारी
It's
पुलिस फोर्स, our medical staff, I mean,
medical stuff.
people that have
Yeah.
changed your life.
I'm saying
Since
anybody who is having to step out of their house to carry on working. Like for example, I was talking to some people जो banks जा रहे हैं. बैंक को
जी,
भी खुलना जरूरी है, वहां भी काम होना जरूरी है. So they are going. I'm saying anybody who is right now doing anything कि आप घर से अपनी फैमिली को छोड़कर जा रहे हैं अपनी जॉब करने के लिए, just to keep the system working. I mean, thanks to all of them, and of course the medical. I mean, that is probably the biggest service that they can do. मतलब किसी ने मुझे उस दिन बोला कि ये उनका उनकी जॉब है, but this is beyond job. This is sacrifice, yeah. मतलब ये
sure,
we have to always, and I hope we always remember the sacrifice that they are making for us. Really, it's
absolutely.
amazing. It's
And
amazing.
I think all of us as Indians इस वक्त जो अपने घर पे हैं, safe हैं इस वक्त,
I
we
swear.
can all we can do is contribute and probably be of some help. Guys, there is a QR code at the bottom of the screen and there is a link. जाके वहाँ पे click कीजिए या उस QR code को scan कीजिए. You can write in your details, fill in your details and hit proceed button and contribute to the PM Cares Fund. I think through this you can help our COVID warriors, help us fight this corona
Yes.
situation that has hit the world. Well, we got to know a lot about you through your social media also, जो आप करती रहती हैं थोड़ा थोड़ा थोड़ा. One thing that I love about your social media is the fact that you're on TikTok.
Yeah. Yes.
और मैंने आपके
Yes.
साथ ड्यूएट बनाया है ऑलरेडी और उसे अपलोड भी कर
Oh
दिया है.
really? Okay,
Yes,
I must check that out. Okay.
I made a duet with you और मैंने उसे अपलोड कर दिया है. मैंने कहा
I will
चलो एक
check.
बना. I'm telling you. And I realized something. आपको क्लासिकल गानों को रिक्रिएट करना बड़ा पसंद है. You like the old classics.
I love. I think in my head, I think in my heart, I'm such a vintage person, who likes all the classics and the black and whites, the music. Yeah, I just like that time a lot.
Uh,
Also, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो वो गाने हैं, आप जब उनको like when I do TikToks on them, I mean,
right.
honestly, it started because of my manager. She all the time kept telling me this is so much fun, you should try this. And I'm not somebody who's a very social media person. I'm not
राइट.
very active.
आप बहुत कम अपलोड करती हैं वैसे. हाँ,
बहुत कम.
राइट.
Yeah, I just feel कुछ चीजें personal होती हैं. It's a bit of I don't want to say the word exhibitionist, but there is slightly a bit of that, a bit of that sometimes.
आपको पता है,
But this, yeah. No,
No,
I'm
no.
just saying that, but this TikTok bit I really enjoy because it's more than just putting hot picture, you know. I mean, thoda sa kuch aur hai. You enact, you become a character. There's a feeling to it. So for me, that's a lot of fun. I really enjoy that.
Sorry to cut you. I think आपका network थोड़ा your range is it's going a little bit. Are we in range?
Is it?
Yeah, थोड़ा
Yeah,
सा.
I think so. I can't tell because my screen is.
Your screen's perfect.
We should be in range. Yeah, I think
Okay.
so. I mean, I
Okay.
have signal.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So, speaking about the songs that you created, the classics, the yesteryear's classics, the songs that you've recreated on TikTok rather. One of your personal favorites. Like I have certain favorite songs that I listen to on a Saturday evening. I'm sitting alone by myself listening to those tracks. दो तीन ऐसे tracks जो आपको एकदम nostalgic कर देते हैं या फिर आपको पसंद है बहुत.
I mean, I think I make the TikToks on them. I like Isharo Isharo. You know, that song is beautiful. Which is the one?
I love Lag Ja Gale.
Lag Ja Gale is yeah, it's my all-time favorite. You know, and it happened to be in my film as well. Sai BV Gangster, and we did a little bit. I mean, it's just and Jonatha, I think, sang it so beautifully. I think she did a great job with that.
You did a fab job.
Fab job, seriously. It's such a difficult
Yeah.
song, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, I love these. I love these Wahida Rahman ji ke gaane, and I think there's so much of story being told in each one of them. It is not just a song which is like, okay, there is so much being said in that song. It's beautiful. Yeah, I like all of them. Yeah.
I think music always creates nostalgia and always gets you back in time, and you keep remembering things. I remember certain things from the film Sorry Bhai. I love that film. I thought it was too cool for that time. Okay, when the film came out.
Yeah.
एक ऐसी फिल्म भाई ये हम लड़कों के साथ हो चुका है कि आप कहीं पर जाइए you go to meet for a friend's wedding and blah 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 and things just happen. I loved Sorry Bhai, one of your films. I loved Inkar. I thought it was too for that time. I think when people just started speaking about a topic like that,
Yeah.
the film was there. It was there and it was making a statement. So I love those two films, and those are my favorites from your filmography.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
We've discussed your films. We're talking about the music you like, but we've also realized that आपको baking बड़ा अच्छा लगता है.
Honestly, I hadn't baked a cake in like last 7 years or something.
Right.
I haven't done any
Right.
baking, any cooking.
Uh,
So yeah, I mean, I like it, but I'm not very good at it.
but you landed up baking something very yummy.
It was amazing, and I didn't put the picture of the chocolate mud cake. It was even better. So yeah,
Really?
I'm
Nice.
encouragement really hai. I'm very encouraged right now. Yes.
So what's your schedule like? आपने कहा कि अब अभी आप baking start किए हैं. आप you maybe probably have developed a new habit or a new hobby because all of us are at home. तो आपका version 2.0 exactly क्या है? What is Chitrangada? What's a day like?
Okay, so the one thing which I'm doing very regularly is working out.
Okay.
And that is something जो पहले मैं शायद काफी skip करती थी. I probably would do like twice a week शायद या thrice a week. But आजकल it's like every single day, and stretching and yoga and everything. I'm giving it a lot of time. So मेरा 2.0 मतलब would be only plus this, except that I think I'm sleeping so much more. I'm just like I can doze off anywhere. I think it's more out of boredom some days than being tired. But yeah, it's yeah, that, and I don't know. Yeah, so yeah, I'm writing. So I'm sitting here on my writing desk. Yeah, so I write.
Interesting.
I started writing. Yeah.
Like, if you could give us an example, आप exactly लिखती क्या है? What do you write exactly? Are you into poetry? Are you into scripts?
No, Glenn. I'm working. I was actually working on a short film. So I had started that, लेकिन उसको अभी so I've done the dialogue, screenplay, everything for the first time. I'm doing everything myself. So that's the one that I was finishing up and I was working on.
Can I make a
Yes.
request to you on this live chat?
Sure.
मुझे हर स्कूल प्ले में इधर पेड़ या कुआं बनाया था. So for the primary section, I was paid. Secondary section, I was कुआं. It's my request to you that if you ever decide पेड़ और कुआं को छोड़कर कुछ भी आपकी शॉर्ट फिल्म में ना सिर्फ अगर किसी को जाके कुछ सर्व करना है या एक ऐसा एक शॉट देना सा टड़ाक टड़ाक वाला.
Okay, I'll do better than that. Don't worry. I'll think of something like slightly better. Maybe like a chair, or I mean, I don't know, maybe a painting. The mannequin. The mannequin. You'll be the most good-looking mannequin or something. You'll make a good-looking mannequin who reads books. You just told me who reads a lot of books.
I don't know, Chitrangada, I don't know if that was a compliment or if that was just like a because I'll tell you, I went for a TV audition once, okay? And I'm going to say this, okay, because I love making jokes at myself. The guy looked at me and says, "You're such a gorgeous man. I have to tell you this. You have the perfect face for radio."
Oh my God, that's me. That's me.
And I'm like,
Oh my God. I was doing better than that. I called you a mannequin. I did, right? Matlab, mannequins have to be, good looking and.
but I can be a dancing mannequin. So if you like want to have a dance number on, I can come
You
and like
dance?
pop up. I do professionally.
Oh, you do? Oh my
Yeah.
God. Okay. What do you dance? What do you do?
So I trained in ballet, I trained in jazz, and I trained in contemporary dancing. Yeah. So all of that happens.
My God, I'm sure all your teachers must be regretting, no?
No, they were
You've
very
done
happy.
better than a well, yeah. Come on. This is amazing. That's
But then I
superb.
told them that's what right now I'm doing. So
I
I used
haven't
to
met
always.
many men who can do ballets, so I'm very
But,
impressed.
but I'll tell you, ballet actually laid the foundation for a lot of my gymnastics and a lot of my movements in contemporary. So if I did a kick, it was all because of ballet training that taught me how to hold my center, how to hold my my body, my upper body, how not to slouch and how to sit straight. So and my teacher was
Like I'm
really
slouching
strict.
right now. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. So, okay, I'm going to teach you something that my teacher taught me. All right. So
Okay.
they call the ballet arms. All right. So the first position, just the arms, is called brava. Here. All right.
Okay.
Lovely.
I'm doing that.
All
Yeah.
right. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Then all we need to do is go out,
Out.
the right arm inside.
Oh, the right one. Okay.
Yeah. The right arm on top,
Top.
and you can just and down, and you present. Wow.
Beautiful. I mean, I love ballets. There's so much of grace in that and control at the same time. It's like two things
And
happening,
it's so poetic. It requires so much of strength. People think that,
I
oh,
can imagine.
all you do is stand on your toes. No, you really work hard in a
God,
ballet
no.
class.
Yeah. I mean, just to make something look so smooth and graceful and
Right.
effortless needs so much effort and control. I have a lot of respect for you, suddenly. Yeah. Amazing.
Thank you.
Well done.
So tell
Superb.
me, I've been going through all my old books. I've been reading. I've been trying to cook. I've been doing practicing a little bit of my dancing skills, doing my stretching. Like you said, you've started yoga, working out. What's that one skill set जो आपने इस lockdown में develop किया है या फिर you're like, okay, I could do this and I have now learned this, or rather, I have to do this. What is that one thing that you are doing, no matter what?
Oh God, my God, I'm not that productive, honestly. I'm not that, this thing. But see, what I mean, for me, the main thing was finishing my short film because that's something which was halfway for a long time, and I hadn't had the time to finish it.
Right.
So I finished my short films, and I'm starting to write something else now. So that I mean, I really wanted to get myself into this discipline of writing every day, uh, which also needs a lot of discipline.
Does.
Yeah, a lot of respect for people who write books, and I mean, it just needs so much discipline to sit and write every day. So that is the one thing that I'm trying to do, and I'm trying to be a good like a baker. I'm really really hoping by the time we come out of this I can bake like, oh acha aaj ye banate hain, aaj ye banate hain. I hope I'm one of those effortless cooks, so I'm hoping to manage that by the end of this.
I am just very glad you're one of those rare celebrities who has not put up any utensil washing posts. And I am just thankful. I am just glad. And I should say
But
namaskar and thank you.
that's also because I'm not washing. I mean, God's been very kind again. We have someone who's with us like 24/7 who lives in the house. Our cook. So I'm honestly not doing any such thing. So I can't. But jo kar rahe hain, I'm sure they are doing it. So it's not something that we are used to doing, and it's difficult. Yeah, बड़ा मुश्किल होता है, especially with Indian खाना. It's very difficult.
हाँ
बहुत
मैं
बर्तन गंदे होते हैं.
Exactly. आपको मेरे हाथ पे ना मेरा फ्यूचर दिखेगा, इतने बर्तन धो चुका हूँ मैं. I can actually see my future. I'm just like washing.
It's a clean slate. We're gonna start all over again.
I'm telling you, sometimes I eat this. I'm like, I'm going to take one plate. I'm just going to eat in one plate. It's okay. It's a pain. And cooking is I don't know how I figured that out.
Are you
It's a,
cooking yourself?
I've learned to cook. I like basic stuff. I've learned to make very
Live
basic
alone?
stuff. Yeah. So I've learned to make stuff like you know veggies, and I'm cooking dalia, and I'm cooking.
Well, you can
Uh,
do ballet, so you can definitely cook. I
I,
mean,
I know I'm trying. I'm trying. I mean,
yeah,
I'm not.
like
I'm not. I'm a very fussy with my food. I keep my food very simple. And the only thing that I miss is because somebody like me is very used to going out, running, playing a sport, playing soccer, keeping myself
yeah,
physically active. I'm training at home, but it's still very boring. At the end, how much can you sit at home and do your push-ups and work out? I mean, it gets
I
boring.
swear, it is boring. It is boring.
Speaking about boring, what's that one thing that you want to do? जैसे ये lockdown खत्म होता है, आप क्या वो एक चीज करना चाहेंगे?
Oh, I mean, yes, I want to go meet my parents, but other than that, I just want to go for a drive. I just want to go for a haircut. I just want to do something as simple as go sit in a restaurant and eat, and just something very, very simple. Nothing major, but just go for a jog. We have a golf course close by here, so just go for a jog there with my dogs or something that's simple. It would be great. Yeah.
I
I mean,
want
you
to
value everything right now.
absolutely everything is so important. Like the smallest things. I think we've realized the value of parents, friends, uh, every little thing that is available to us. And I just feel
Yeah.
the air I breathe is also things that we took for granted. I really miss going to the beach and running. And in my head, there's this Baywatch theme playing. Like in my head, I'm David Hasselhoff, and like on Juhu Beach in my head somewhere. I am David Hasselhoff rescuing somebody, and
Virtual. Okay.
I'm like,
Yeah.
okay, I'm
That's
running.
very strong imagination, I have to say. Full marks for the imagination.
I mean, I
As
grew up
opposed to where you are.
absolutely. I mean, I grew up to watching Baywatch and Santa Barbara also.
Yeah, but you have like Pani Puri and Bhel Puri all happening around you. You need a lot of imagination to like keep with it. Like that's amazing.
Yeah, actually, मेरी मजबूरी है, man. I'll tell you honestly. Every guy in his head is either Iron Man, Robert Downey Jr., or Captain America, or if he's someone like me who loves the beach, he is David Hasselhoff. He
Yeah,
wants
yeah.
to rescue somebody.
Ultimate.
Ultimate
Absolutely.
alpha male kind of personality दिमाग में और सिर में. We're talking about what's happening with your life and things that we're missing out. I think one very important thing that we all need to address is our COVID warriors, everybody who's fighting this pandemic. A message that you'd like to give out to all your fans and people who are watching this live session right now, the 100 hours, 100 stars tribute to our COVID warriors. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे to everybody?
I mean, I think हम सबको पता है कि what can I say? Well, I mean, I'm just trying to think what is different that I can say. Everybody knows how important they are for us. I mean, if it wasn't for them, I don't know इस समय क्या हालत होती हमारे country की. अगर वो the policemen who go every day in the morning, they leave their homes and they go out, and the doctors and the nurses, and knowing कि वो इतने ज़्यादा close contact में हैं, इतनी chance है उनको कि they get the virus as well, but they still go out and do it. So I just feel कि money is a very very small contribution that we can make sitting at home. I mean, इसको हमें charity भी नहीं समझना चाहिए. मुझे लगता है कि ये this is even more important than charity. So all I want to say to everybody who's watching, I mean, बहुत ज़्यादा आपको पैसे देने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन आपसे जितना भी होता है, जितना भी you feel that you can give to these people who are saving our country literally right now, please make that donation, make that contribution, and या अपने मतलब एक वो दिलासा होता है ना कि आपको अपने आप को कि आपने कुछ किया. Just for that, I mean, yeah. So if you can, please do that. That's all I would like to say.
Thank you so much. And guys, you watching this video, आपको नीचे QR code दिख रहा है. You can see the link. Go click on that link or scan the QR code. Fill in your details, hit proceed, and make your contributions. All these contributions go to the PM Cares Fund. This is basically to fight COVID-19 and also for our COVID warriors. Well, we're going to have some fun right now. I have a
Okay.
few never have I ever questions for you. अगर आपने वो चीज की है, ठीक है? आपको बोलना है You're watching 100 hours, 100 stars. Okay?
अगर मैंने की है तो
You're watching 100 hours, 100 stars.
100 hours 100 stars.
Yeah, you're watching 100 hours,
100 hours 100 stars. Okay.
हाँ, और अगर आपने नहीं किया है तो आपको बोलना है come on yeah Glenn.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go for it. Number 1, cheated in an. Okay, so let's start this again.
Okay.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Let the games begin. Cheated in an examination.
100 hours 100 stars.
Gone
Yes,
on
sir.
2 dates in 1 day.
Come on, yeah, Glenn.
Come on yeah, what is this?
Like that, come on, yeah.
Come
what
on,
is it,
yeah. What you're speaking like that, man? Like you're from Bandra, yeah. What is this? You're from
Yeah,
Bandra,
okay.
what?
I'll try and get that. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Had a crush on a fan.
Oh, come on, yeah, Glenn. What, yeah? Chalna.
Pretended to enjoy someone's company when you didn't really enjoy it.
100 stars, 100 hours. Yes.
Okay. Opened someone else's phone and spied on it.
100 hours, 100 stars. Yes.
Sent the wrong text message to the wrong person.
Come on, yeah, Glenn. No, I'm too careful. No, stop.
Send
No. Did happen.
Send the wrong text message to the right person.
I've sent the right text message to the right person at the wrong time.
I think life is all about timing. Timing galat ho na? Timing.
And my timing is completely off. But I'm not somebody who has the best timing about such things, about saying things or making confessions and all. Yeah, it's usually off with that there.
All right, moving ahead. Gone and stalked a friend's social media profile and just like posted on their behalf. Like I do that.
Posted on their behalf. How do you post on somebody else's behalf?
Like someone's left their Facebook or their Instagram open and you've just like.
Come on, yeah, Glenn. Who has the time, yeah? Come on.
Okay, bargain for vegetables.
Yeah, 100 stars, 100 hours. Yes.
100 hours, 100 stars. Yeah.
100
Okay.
hours, 100 stars. Yes.
Last but not the least, spied on other celebrities on their social media. Like check them out on the.
Time. All the time. 100 hours, 100 stars. 100 stars, 100 hours. Yes. Of course.
Well, I think this has been one chuma of an interview. Chitrangada, I
had fun.
only want to say I had so much of fun with this interview. Thank you so much for your time. And thank you for being a part of this mission that Fever FM, Radio Nasha, and Radio 1 has started this 100 hours, 100 stars.
It's a really, really nice initiative, and I hope it's successful in doing what you people want to do. And I hope that everybody who's watching makes their little donation, or however big that they want to be. And I hope we open our hearts. Yeah, I hope so.
I just want to say thank you very, very much. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.